Hello, Tony Candela here again. Today I'd like to talk to you about my newly published book, Automotive Electrical Performance Projects. Now most of you viewing are probably aware of my first book, which would be Automotive Wiring and Electrical Systems. This book has actually done quite well. It was given an award by the IAMA, and it's the only book of its kind that I'm aware of. This book provides an excellent foundation for anyone to be able to learn how to competently work on automotive electrical systems of any kind. Now, what's different about automotive electrical performance projects, which is CarTech part number SA209, is that this book actually takes everything that you learned in the first book and puts it to work to complete 14 popular projects. The projects range from simple to complex. For example, the very first project in the book illustrates how to install a dome lamp circuit in a vehicle that does not include one, which I see quite often in hot rods at the various gatherings. And you go all the way to chapter 9, which has the last project in it, and that project details in great detail how to convert from carburation to electronic fuel injection. No, not on a 1969 Camaro with a great engine. Anybody could do that. But instead, I went out of my way to illustrate how to install and upgrade the fuel system components, the ignition system components, the charging system, as well as install the complete EFI system and all of its wiring, and then the complete tuning process, which was done at Automotive Diagnostic Specialties in Chandler, Arizona. So that project in and of itself, I think, will be one of the more popular projects in the book. And the vehicle we chose has a 671 blown 454 big block Chevy. So I think you'll really enjoy that one. As you can tell, this is not your typical EFI conversion. Rather, the system we chose was one that has dual Holley throttle bodies, and we used entire MagnaFuel fuel system, Earl's plumbing, and every bit of the electrical aspect and mechanical aspect of this installation is outlined, including installing this 240 amp Iragi alternator and the larger charge lead, as you see there. So this was quite a fun project, and I believe you'll enjoy it. Maybe not half as much as I do driving it, but nonetheless, hopefully it'll inspire you to do something similar in your vehicle. So where do you pick up a copy of the book? No problem. You can get it at your local Barnes & Noble, or you can get it online at any of the major book resellers such as Amazon.com, Barnes & Noble, Borders, Powell Books, Boonbridge Books. Summit Racing stocks it, Jegs, Pace Performance, Eckler, etc. Or send me an email to info@ceautoelectricsupply.com, and I can tell you how you can get an autographed copy directly from me.